Hello dear students, I welcome you all for today's video class. Let's study the 7th unit today. The 6th unit is already completed. So the 7th unit is Colors of Silence. Before reading the lesson, studying the lesson, there is a dialogue here. And that dialogue, what is there and why this conversation has been given, let's see children. Lakshmi. Gauri, why didn't you come to school yesterday? So Lakshmi asked to Gauri. So what Gauri replied, let's see children. I had to attend to my brother Gopal, who is hospitalized. Lakshmi. Really? What's wrong with him? Gauri. He met with an accident last Saturday. Lakshmi. My God, how did it happen? Is he seriously injured? He was walking along a narrow bridge without railings. He just slipped and fell into the river, and his head hit the rock. He has multiple fractures, but we are lucky that he is out of danger. Lakshmi, that's good. So he will be fit soon to attend school, I hope. Gauri, no, Lakshmi. He has lost his sense of hearing. I'm afraid he will be deaf. For the rest of his life, he will be a burden on others. You have read this conversation. Do you agree with Gauri that Gopal will be useless and remain a burden on others? Now read about a boy who lost his sense of hearing and see what happened later. So there is a connection between this conversation and this lesson, children. So in the conversation between Gauri and Lakshmi, we came to know that Gauri's brother has met with an accident and he had multiple fractures. So he is not, maybe he will become deaf. Why? Because there was surgery and he has gone through the surgery. So he'll be having he will be, maybe he has lost his sense of hearing. So now, Colors of Silence. The lesson is about a boy who has lost the sense of hearing, children. Now, means when the conversation is read between the Gauri and Lakshmi, here Gauri was getting disappointed. She was disappointed and she was upset to say that maybe her brother would lose the sense of hearing. So same way, here what is the sense of hearing and how it is very important in our life, and if we can't hear anything, there will be silence everywhere, and how it happens to a person who don't listen properly, who don't have the sense of hearing. That's what it is brought in this lesson, children. And this is related to a person who has created history. That is written in the National Book Trust of India, children. So what is there in the lesson? Who is that? The person who has created a history. Is he really present in means is he an imaginary figure which is brought in this lesson, or is he really present? We will come to know, children, later at the end of the lesson. So here the lesson starts with Satish. Satish, why didn't you come to school today? Now here Surender is asking Satish why he didn't come to school. Surender had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard him. Means this question was asked to Satish 3 times. He repeated it. Then Satish was able to hear him. Surender was questioning Satish, children. Remember, he was lying on bed, his eyes closed, sweat glistened on his brows. So when Satish was not able to hear for one time, Surender repeated the question 3 times. And Satish was lying on his bed, his eyes were closed, and there was little sweat on his brows, children, on his eyebrows. No, I am not well, replied Satish. Of late, he had been down with something or the other. So for the question of Surendra, when Surendra questioned him, Satish replied that he is not well. But of course he knew that something is wrong with him. Something is wrong with the hearing, sense of hearing. Why? What's the matter with you, Satish? His friend asked with concern. He put his hand on his forehead to feel it. So Surendra was worried about Satish. So later he went on questioning him. When he found that Satish was not able to answer properly, so he put his hand, Surendra put his hand on the Satish forehead to feel it. He was very much concerned to his friend. So he wanted to inquire how he is feeling, whether his condition is good or not, so that he may help him in proper way, children. Surendra may help him. I don't know, Surendra, it's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. So when Surendra put his hand on the forehead of Satish, Satish replied that he don't know what is happening with him. Now his condition is becoming worst. Why? When it started to become worse, children? When the last operation was done on his leg. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. And what is the trouble going on, children? What kind of problem is faced by him? He got the terrible headaches. And whenever he was getting those headaches, it was getting dark and it was getting silent. I feel miserable, but why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. So it was unbearable for him. It was unbelievable also what is happening with him. Here Satish was worried why it is becoming dark and why it is becoming silent. Now here Satish was hardly listening, hardly hearing. Means whatever it was spoken by Surendra, it was hardly heard by him. So he asked him, Satish asked to Surendra, why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. Barely hear means very difficult to hear you. Surendra gave him a strange look. He had certainly not been speaking softly. As he lost his hearing, wondered Surendra. So when Surendra came to know that Satish is hardly can hear, so when Satish asked him why he is speaking softly, he got strange. He got surprised. Why? Because Surendra was not speaking softly. So later he suspected that maybe Satish has lost his hearing. He wondered, Surendra wondered, children. So for this, later what happened? How Surendra reacted? Let's see. Poor Satish. He had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. So Surendra felt pity for him. So poor Satish it is mentioned here. And since from when he returned from holiday, Satish had been to Kashmir in previous year. So since when he returned back, he felt ill, children. He remained ill. There had been an accident when he went hiking with his father and brother in the. So when he went on holiday to spend holidays in Kashmir, Satish met with an accident. And when this accident occurred, when he went on hiking, children, and with whom he went on hiking? He went with his father and his brother Inda. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. The boys stood and looked down at the swirling water below them. So how this accident occurred? When they were crossing the rickety bridge, means the bridge was not tight, it was loosened, and it was not firm, it was not strong, children. So when the boys stood on the bridge, they looked down. The water was flowing below the bridge, and they looked down the water. The water was swirling. The movement of the water was very fast. Look how the water is rushing at that spot. Satish pointed out to his brother. So Satish was enjoying the moment. When he looked at the water, he saw the rushing water, running water, and he pointed out on one of the spot, and he asked his brother to look at that spot. So here we can see Satish was very much enjoying that moment, and he was enjoying the hiking with his father and brother. Just then his foot slipped, and losing his balance, he fell into the rapids. So when he was pointing out at the spot and he was asking his brother to look at that spot, suddenly he lost his balance. His foot slipped and he fell into the water. His screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. When he regained consciousness, his legs were in a plaster cast and his head hurt badly. So later, when he was falling down into the water, children, he shouted, he screamed, and soon the scream was lost into the rushing sound of the water. Means the sound of the water was very loud, so that scream was not heard properly, it is said. Maybe he shouted loudly. Later, when he was unconscious, when he gained consciousness, his legs were plastered and his head was hurt badly, children. He was hospitalized. He was bruised and aching all over. See, there were many wounds found on his body. So bruised means wounds, children. And maybe the wounds were treated, means maybe the wounds were covered with the bandage. And aching all over means the body was aching. Though his legs healed, they remained weak, requiring several operations on them. Worse, he suffered frequently from bouts of fever and infections, especially of the ear. So his legs got healed, children. He was recovered, but still he remained weak. Later, the several operations were done on him, means he went through several operations, but it was worst for him. He suffered a lot. So during those operations, he was having fever and some infections were there. So because of this, he lost his hearing capacity, children. This affected his ear. Seeing that Satish was in pain, Surender now got up to go. Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked. So Satish's condition was very bad. Surender was not able to see his condition. So he got up, he stood up, and he bid farewell to Satish, and he asked him to join the school next day, and he left the hospital, children. Satish shook his head. Satish understood what Surender told, and Satish, he nodded his head. A slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surender left. It felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. So when Surender left Satish on bed and he left the hospital, Satish became a bit emotional, little, and he not want to be alone in the hospital. He wanted to get recovered as soon as possible. So again he will be left alone, and there will be silent again. So this was troubling him. It was unbearable for him. So there were tears in his eyes, and those tears came down on his cheek, children. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed, and he was. So as I told you, he wanted to get up from that bed as soon as possible. He had gone through many operations and he was fed up, and he wanted to join with his friends in his school. So this made him upset, children. So for this reason only he started to cry. He was feeling like he was helpless. The silence was the worst. Everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. There was everywhere silence. Why? Because it was affecting his hearing capacity. Slowly, day by day, Satish was losing his hearing capacity. So this was becoming worst for him. So every day he used to face a new challenge. There was a silence. That's what the lesson name is, children, Colors of Silence. And he has to cope up with that silence. Though every day the scene used means the people who used to come and speak with him, he was feeling like they are just acting. He was unable to hear them. He feeling like a show is going on in front of him. He wanted to scream to break the silence but didn't. So he wanted to break that silence, children, but it was not possible for him. For the 8-year-old boy, this was terrible. See how many years old this boy is? Only 8-year-old. And this was the terrible thing happening with him, children. It was unbelievable. The doctors didn't know the cause, except that it was caused by medicines given to him to treat his legs. So, why he was losing the capacity of hearing? The medicine which was given by doctors, it was for his legs, children. Maybe because of those medicines only, it was causing trouble to his hearing capacity. Here, even the doctors were not able to know the cause, why, what it is happening. Because of medicines, he is losing the hearing capacity or what? Why? Because they were treating his legs, children. Due to his frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father, Mr. Avatar Narayan, that they couldn't keep Satish. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. See, frequently Satish was remaining absent and he was having a hearing problem also. So the school refused to make him to sit in the school, children. They refused to take him in the school. So they informed Satish's father, Mr. Avatar Narayan, that they couldn't keep Satish in their school. So for this, Satish's father decided Satish to admit in a new school. Satish shook his head saying no. He didn't want to go to school where he couldn't talk to the other children, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. Now Satish was aware that he has become deaf. He was hardly able to hear. So he told directly to his father that he don't want to take admission in other school where other children will not accept him. Why? Because he was very friendly and he had become very familiar with this school, and he not wanted to go to a new school. He not want to change the old school, because again he has to cope up with the new atmosphere, children. Again he has to make new friends. That was not a good thing for him. Means those children may make fun of him, fun of his hearing, fun of his deafness. This was a kind of fear troubling Satish, children. That's all for today's session. These questions you have to write in your classwork. Try to answer these questions. So today we came to know Satish has met with an accident and he went through several operations. When doctors were busy in treating his legs, they were unable to know why Satish was losing his hearing capacity. Now here the school refused to keep Satish in their school, and they asked his father to take admission in new school. So Satish father was searching new school, and here Satish was not agreeing to go to the new school. Why? Because again he has to cope up with the new atmosphere, children. I request you to answer these questions and send me in Google Classroom. Meet you in the next session with another paragraph. What happens next, we will see in the next session. Thank you.